So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about puberty and menstrual cycle. So ensure to stay till the end of this video as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this lesson, you'll get a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge. So, at puberty, your body starts releasing some sex hormones that trigger off secondary sexual characteristics, such as the development of facial hair in men and the development of breasts in female. These hormones also cause eggs to mature in women. So in men, the main reproductive hormone is testosterone, and it's produced by the testes and stimulates sperm production. In women, the reproductive hormone is the estrogen, and is produced by the ovaries. So, as well as bringing about physical changes, estrogen is also involved in the menstrual cycle. So let us consider the menstrual cycle in women. Now, there are 4 major stages we will discuss here. In stage 1, menstruation starts in day 1, and then the uterus lining breaks down for about 4 days. So in stage 2, the uterus lining builds up again. That is from day 4 to day 14 into a thick spongy layer full of blood vessels, ready to receive a fertilized egg. In stage 3, an egg develops and is being released from the ovary at about day 14. Now this is called ovulation. At stage 4, which is the final stage, the wall is then maintained for about 14 days again until day 28. Now, if no fertilized egg has landed on the uterus by day 28, the spongy lining starts to break down again, and then the whole cycle starts to repeat. So, this process is controlled by 4 major hormones. We have the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, we have the estrogen, we have the luteinizing hormone, LH, and then we have the progesterone. So let us consider the effects of each of these hormones one after the other. So the follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, is produced in the pituitary gland, and it causes an egg to mature in one of the ovaries in a structure called follicle. It also stimulates the ovaries to produce estrogen. So the estrogen is produced in the ovaries, and it causes the lining of the uterus to grow. It also stimulates the release of luteinizing hormone and inhibits the release of follicle stimulating hormone. And then the luteinizing hormone is produced by the pituitary gland. It stimulates the release of an egg at day 14, that is ovulation. And then finally, the progesterone is produced in the ovaries by the remains of the follicle after ovulation. It maintains the lining of the uterus during the second half of the cycle. So when the level of the progesterone falls, the lining breaks down. It also inhibits the release of LH and FSH. So guys, here is a free practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.